Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And today I'll be showing you how to crochet this cute cardigan. So let's get started, and the following are the requirements to make this cardigan. You require a 3mm hook, a measuring tape, a pair of scissors, black and white yarn, weight 50 grams, pink color yarn, and a needle. This is how the yarns that I'm going to use looks. This is my white color yarn. They are all from Robin Yarns, and I'll be using a pink color yarn, a white color yarn, and also a black color yarn. The reason why the black color yarn it's missing, I've already used the yarn, so it's not a must to use these colors that I'm going to use. You can use different colors. And also here is the pair of scissors that I'm going to use, and also the 3mm hook, and also here it's my measuring tape. To make this sweater, we'll start by making the squares, and after that we'll be joining the squares together to make the sweater. And the last thing that we'll be doing is ribbing the sweater. So let's start by making the square. Here is the square that I've already made. It's about 4.5 inches the length and 4.5 inches the width of the square. So what I did, I chained 22 stitches, and after chaining 22 stitches I repeated 18 rows of half double crochet on these stitches, and that's what I did. And you should repeat the same and make about 60 squares. This is how my squares looks. I've made 30 black squares and also I've made 30 white squares. So let's meet on the other section to show you how to join this sweater. And this sweater, it's so simple to make. It's just making the squares and joining them together. This is how we are going to arrange the squares of the sweater. You will be alternating the colors. So if your first color was a white color, the next color you will be placing a black square. And the length of my sweater, it's made up of five squares, and the width of my sweater, it's made up of 3 squares. So this means it's a 3 by 5 squares sweater. And this is the back piece of my sweater, and we'll be joining the pieces of the sweater using a needle like I'm doing. So repeat this, and after joining the sweater I'll be here to show you what to do next. Three by 4 squares, and this is after joining the sleeve of my sweater. In this section I will be ribbing my sweater using a pink color, and the piece that I'm holding, I started by chaining 11 stitches, and after that I repeated after rows of half double crochets, and there were many rows of half